Hello and welcome to Studio 7 Pluses. This is Chuck Terrace. Today I'd like to talk about bird's eye view in Photoshop. Now if you're working on a high resolution picture, an easy way to move about the picture for editing is to press down the H key, press your mouse button, and now you can just go zoom around. Oh, I think I want to edit this for, and boom, I'm right there. H key again. I want to go over here and do some editing. Oh yeah, very nice. Very nice, very quick. Save you a lot of time when you're editing high resolution pictures. Hope you enjoyed this little video for Photoshop and have a great day.